day to all employers. My name is Ellen Amante, 36 years old, single with 3 kids, ages 12, 10, and 6. I am a graduate of 2 years course, Computer Programming last 2010. I am a domestic helper here in Malaysia. And 3 years, I serve of 2 couples, ages both 65. My duties are car wash, gardening, cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, and marketing. I'm working here for 3 years until February 2026. And also, I have an experience as a nanny in the Philippines, year 2018 until 2020. I take care of two kids, 1-year-old and 4 years old. For 1-year-old, my duties are feeding, bathing, and of course, changing diaper. For 4 years old, my duties are organizing her activities and outings, preparing her meals, and then sending to schools, and then assisting with homework, and after that, playing with her. Madam and sir, please hire me because I am a very hardworking woman, loyal, trustworthy, independent, and super trustworthy. To my future employer, please hire me and see you soon.